Hi, I'm Liz.
I'm Chris.
I'm Amy.
I'm Angel.
And we are Carnival Cruise Addicts!
How you doing, everybody?
How you doing?
This is the team edition. So these are our friends, Amy and Angel. We've been on a couple cruises with them. We got another cruise coming up here shortly with them. And we're here to just talk about random stuff on the cruises. So
Yes.
I think Angel was mentioning earlier about cruise directors.
Yes, cruise director.
Who's your favorite?
What was his name again?
Mark Q.
Mark Q is our favorite cruise director.
Why?
He was a very energetic person, very funny, and down to earth.
I love Lee, your cruise director. Well, wait. I love Lee, your cruise director. But
She's a lovely cruise. Oh no, she loves Lee, the cruise director. Never mind.
my favorite all-time was John Heald.
John
He is
Heald.
no longer a cruise director. He
He
is
is
brand ambassador.
Ambassador
But
or
Lee, your
ambassador, as we'll say.
ambassador.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, he was our second CD, and we fell in love with him at that point in time, and we've been following ever since. Excuse me, a little choked up because I love John. But, Amy,
Yes.
Oh, I don't know. They're all so good.
They
It
are.
just all depends. But I would want to shout out Erin because I think she's awesome. And we've had her as a cruise director twice since we've been cruising with Carnival. So shout out to Erin.
What? Woohoo.
So-
Kendall Fire,
getting the fire. Yeah.
fabulous.
Yep.
Jackie Tan, fabulous.
Last cruise, the last Mardi Gras we were on,
Chris the Flying Scotsman. Whoop!
also good.
Who else?
Oh jeez, there's so
Cookie,
many.
Cookie.
Many.
Cookie, yeah,
So
Cookie
many.
was good.
Kindle Fire. I said that
We
already.
said it.
Yeah.
Now we're repeating ourselves now.
Yeah.
So we've been cruising since 1999, which was our honeymoon cruise. Yeah, we're old, we know. And Amy and Angel started cruising in 2013,
I believe.
Yes,
Yes, it is.
2013.
So it's been 10 years.
Yes.
And the reason why we started cruising was because of our lovely friends here, Chris and Liz.
Yes.
And they were always talking about how great cruising is and how much fun they had, and it was just an experience of a lifetime. And she had to convince me for quite a while
It
until
took a minute.
we
It took a minute.
decided to get on a ship, because again, I mean, being on a cruise, it's very different compared to going onto the island and
Side
flying.
note, she's from what part of New York?
Manhattan.
And you have a driver's license?
Never.
No, she doesn't.
No.
So
I tried to convince her to get that too, but
she
that
doesn't
didn't work.
even drive a car,
No.
and she's been on a boat. So
Yes.
yeah,
Who doesn't swim? So I don't have a driver's license. I don't drive. I
and
don't
she doesn't
swim.
know how to swim.
But
So-
I was convinced to get on a boat in the middle of nowhere.
right.
And you
you're
love
gonna-
it.
And
we
you're
love it.
Gold now, right? Or
No,
platinum?
platinum.
Platinum.
Oh, she's
She's
platinum.
platinum.
She is
Yeah.
platinum. So that's
She's platinum, and I'm still go.
Oh, peon. Peon. Get out of the video. We're
we're
done with you.
diamond. I'm leaving.
Yes,
Yes.
goodbye.
There are diamond. We
They're
have
too good for us, apparently.
unfortunately.
We're back. We're not too good. But yeah, no, we love cruising. Obviously, we love hanging out with each other.
Yes.
So yeah, it's if you haven't been on a cruise, we encourage you to do so. I've met a lot of people like, oh my god, there's nothing around. You have no safety net. You have no this. Well, there's a medical center.
Yes.
There's tons of people around you that haven't been on a cruise.
Yeah.
There's everybody there to support you. It's a group. It's a family. You
Yes.
know, and I'd encourage, whether you go on a Carnival, which we are the Carnival Cruise Addicts, or any other cruise line, do a cruise. They're super fun. It's so relaxing.
You enjoy
And
yourself all the time.
Yes.
You eat a lot.
Yes.
Sorry.
And
Oh,
it's
eat a
so
lot.
easy. It's so easy. That's the
You've
thing.
seen the Hitchcock.
There's no effort. of
No,
going on a
there's no.
cruise.
You don't have to worry about like when you have to be, except for like the ports. So like, oh, I had to be out the excursion by this, but like you can do what you want when you want, and that's the best part.
Yes.
No pressure.
No pressure.
at all. Go with the flow. Do what you
Yeah,
want.
you want to do this? I want to do it. Oh, I missed it. Oh well, who cares? Let's do the
Absolutely.
next thing.
Yep.
It's great.
So, Amy, what is your favorite part about cruising?
My favorite part about cruising is just being in the middle of the ocean and just being
agree.
completely disconnected to just everything, technology, the world, and it's just it brings
Work.
Yes, work, and you're just
Work.
the water is just so serene,
Yes.
calm, peaceful, and you can literally
Cheers.
just disconnect, and you
Cheers.
feel like there's nothing else
Cheers.
out there but just the water. And it's beautiful and it's amazing and I love it.
I agree with Amy entirely. The just being out there and seeing there's no coastline. It's just water. And
Nothing
for
but
you
vast
flat
water.
earthers, it's curved. It's not flat. Just saying. But yeah, just being out there, it is amazing. It's quiet.
Yes.
We recommend getting a balcony. They're a little bit more expensive, but just be able to sit out there and just look
and
at the
peaceful
ocean.
calm.
And I'm a weather junkie, so looking at the clouds and the rain coming
And
down,
if you're gonna
it's
get a
so
balcony,
relaxing.
if you want a cheaper balcony, get the cove balcony.
Oh, the
Coves
coves are great.
balconies
They're
are
great.
awesome. They're way closer to the water. They're on a lower deck, which for whatever reason people think lower decks are bad. I
They're
think it's
not.
fabulous.
Yeah.
It's private. It's relaxing and peaceful. It's the best.
Yep.
Yes.
Angel, what's your favorite part of cruising?
Exactly what my wife said. Unplug. You actually see the serenity of the ocean. You think that you're the only one there and that you're unplugged.
I love that. You think
Yeah.
you're the only one there, and that is so true.
Yes.
You know, so if you're sitting on in the balcony by yourself, you're sitting on Lido, you're sitting somewhere else, you know there's people behind you when you're in the public decks, but you feel like you're by yourself. It's just so quiet. It's so serene. The blue of the ocean is amazing.
Magnificent.
That's just me. So, like, what was your favorite cruise? What's your favorite port? We'll go with Angel. What's your favorite port?
NASA port.
NASA.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Okay, now, the clear water of the Caribbean,
Oh,
the Bahamas.
Amazing.
Bahamas
the-
water's
Yeah,
great.
you get off the ship and you go to numerous bars that are out on the port, especially Margaritaville and Senor Frog.
Senior Frog is very nice. I would agree.
And you get to
Senor
see.
Frog.
Yep. And you overlook the Atlantis Hub. What is a hotel resort?
Yeah.
What it is?
Yep.
Right there.
You got Bahamar in the distance. So it is a great port, and recently they've upgraded the port itself. So if you haven't been there in a while and you were discouraged from previous visits,
Go
get there
back.
again.
It's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yep. Amy, what is your favorite?
I want to say Grand Cayman.
Oh.
I love the
That's a good
Grand
one.
Cayman.
I love that too.
I
The
think-
Stingray
water's great.
City?
Yeah.
Hell?
And segways and
Turtle
the
Island?
7 Mile Beach.
Ooh.
I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And
That's-
the people are just so great and so nice and so friendly.
Yeah.
And for me, that matters a lot and that sticks out to me the most. So I would say Grand Cayman.
I would agree.
Okay.
Liz?
One of my favorites is St. Martin, which we just went
yes.
to,
Yep.
which was beautiful. The water is clear and beautiful.
Yeah.
It's very
half
peaceful,
Dutch, half
relaxed.
French.
Yes, yeah, just a unique experience, and I loved it. And they had a Lizzie's bar, so duh, of course I loved it. What about you, Chris?
I'm gonna go with St. Thomas because
Oh, yeah.
me being
The mountains.
kind of a nerd, I like the volcanic mountains, if you will, of that area. So you get to port and you can see the houses with the hills. We're currently in South Florida for the last 20 years. Everything's flat. So if anything has a hill, it's kind of cool. But just the St. Thomas port, we went to that, I believe, on our honeymoon.
Yes, we
if
did.
I'm not mistaken,
We did.
24 years ago,
Yes.
as of last week, 2 weeks ago. I love that, and I don't know, just the hills, the water is amazing. All the water down there is amazing. It's it's definitely one of my favorite ports.
Yes.
All right, last question. Favorite boat?
So far, the celebration.
Oh,
Yes.
Why?
Celebration
And
for
why?
Angel.
Why? Because it's a really large boat, and we went with you guys.
I love that.
Amy.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
how do you beat
Very hard.
that?
Beat
I
that.
know, right? That's a hard
That's the
pumping
perfect one.
I
No
don't
need to
even
even say
know.
anything. That's the perfect answer right there.
Well, then he's gonna love the Horizon next because that's where we're going next together.
Exactly.
I'm about a month and a half, give or take.
Yep.
Yeah.
I
All right,
don't-
come on.
Oh man, I don't know
So many
which
hard
one
decisions.
is my favorite. I love all of them. I mean, I want to say Celebration. Celebration is up there because you know I was blessed to get on that ship twice.
Yeah.
And experience with Liz and Chris, of course, and my husband. But then the second time I went was just me and my best friend, and we hadn't
Oh,
gone.
I'm not a BFF, just so you know.
And she left her
quite clear.
husband home, I'm just saying.
And I left
It was
my
better
husband home. But that was like the first time me and my best friend ever like.
Best friend.
AKA
Apparently.
sister.
Keep calling it out, Amy.
Yes, AKA sister. We've been on a
I am
trip.
her second
Your best friend.
Yeah. All right. Yes, you know this is going on YouTube. Just so you know.
This shit's public.
But I want to say,
It is.
Celebration was great. I had two great experiences on the ship, and it's just it's magnificent. And
It is a good boat.
It's a great boat.
It is
It's a
a
great
great
boat.
Liz?
great job.
I'm gonna have to say number one is the Destiny because that was our
Oh.
honeymoon cruise.
She
Okay.
stole mine.
It was our first Carnival cruise, and we didn't know what to expect. But honestly, it's the Celebration
Yes.
because it's a really big ship. I love the big ship, and I loved it with my quasi best friend.
Second
Not my first or second. I don't know. What would you call a tri best friend? Maybe.
Probably.
I don't quantify friendship, so my bestest friend. There we go.
Yeah.
No, it was a great cruise, and it's a great
was.
ship.
So for
Chris,
me, it would be
the Destiny.
the Carnival Destiny.
Yeah.
Because
Oh.
that's where, after marrying that beautiful lady,
Yes.
we went on vacation and we got addicted to cruising.
Addicted to cruising.
Yes.
Because we
got-
are Carnival Cruise
Addicts!
Hey, like and subscribe. Hit that bell.
All right.
So,
Yeah.
I got addicted at that point in time, and I mean the cruise was great. The wife was okay. I sucked with her, but the cruise was.
Wait, I suck with her or I slept with her?
That's
Well,
what
I
happens when you
slept
drink
with
too
her
much.
before I got there.
I wasn't. What did he say? Suck or
We're
slept?
going off script now here.
Tell
I don't know if he said suck or slept.
he slept. I think he slept.
No, I actually said I got stuck with her. It was none of them, but
This is what happened when we had drinks
She's
too much,
shorting, she's
unfortunately.
I can edit this. I can edit this. I can edit it. I can edit it.
there's no need.
I'm peeing myself right now.
This is what happens when two best friends have fun. No, she's not.
No, I am.
not.
I am.
Like, Amy's about to blow her
Okay, we
nose.
need a.
Angel's like, what the F is going on? I'm like, I'm not going to.
I did. I did. I'm
You
wearing a
have no-
pony liner, so I'm good.
Oh,
Okay, you need the pens.
No, I don't need the pens.
It depends on what you need.
Just to care for
hey,
me.
yo, depends what she needs. She needs it depends.
All right.
And this is the reason why we enjoy ourselves with them. All the
my God.
funniness. This is the reason.
This is why we cruise, because you have great people
Yes.
like this.
Oh my God.
to cruise with.
Oh my God, give me that.
Yes.
Can I'm her third best friend, but whatever. It's all right.
She's squeaking. Did you hear it?
Okay.
Wait, we're just
Okay.
At least I'm laughing and burning calories at the same time.
I'm peeing
Okay.
still.
You better not. You better go use the
All right,
bathroom.
keep going, keep going. You were saying, honey?
Liz peed herself. She's squeaking. Angel's like, what the F is going on? And apparently I'm the moderator.
Yes.
But at least I dressed up
Yes. Dressed
to be the
impress.
moderator. So
Oh my God, what happened?
Okay. So
imagine you're on a cruise boat.
yes.
And this is what you have on a cruise boat.
Yes.
Oh, she's all right.
She's okay. She's just laughing super hard.
Amy
alright.
lost her shit.
We'll edit it out. Don't worry.
Oh wait, she's back. She's back. Amy, you back?
Oh, hey,
She's
you
back.
She may be back.
I think you need
Because
it.
you
yeah.
said, I don't know,
Liquid
you drugged
courage.
up. Okay.
I drugged up?
Oh no, Chris said he's drugged up.
Drugged up? No, he didn't say that.
Drugged up. I don't know, they sound the same.
Oh hell.
Alright, keep going, honey.
Okay.
Moderate.
Moderate. Okay.
No.
All right,
Edit.
moderating.
By the way, I'm not
Okay,
editing
I'm
any of this.
moderate.
It's all going up.
Okay.
They're gonna be like,
This is gonna be a no edit MFer.
That is
So,
correct.
Again, everybody. So yeah,
Last but not least.
yeah. Do what you do that you enjoy. We enjoy cruising. We enjoy some of our friends. Apparently, a third best friend.
Yes.
But we
I mean, I'm assuming third. Maybe it's fifth.
might be
Could
fifth. Shit, I don't know.
She's leveling
Well,
up. I have no
everybody
idea.
This is the point of cruising.
Yes.
Enjoy
Yes.
the people you're
With
with.
great friends.
Enjoy what
great
you
friends.
have.
Doesn't have to be best
Yeah.
friends. Can be great friends.
If you have the luxury of going on a cruise and doing it with the people you love and
Absolutely.
enjoy,
You need to do it.
go with the people you love and enjoy. And you're going to meet people on the cruise. Me and Liz are relatively antisocial. Amy and Angel don't go out much either.
yeah.
So we're kind of the same, but we
Yeah.
go on a cruise, you meet
Yeah, I mean,
so
she only has
many good
5
people.
best friends, so I don't know how. You
Well,
know,
Liz is
how
going
much
down
she
to
gets.
6. Every time she opens her mouth, she's a 7, 8.
Going down the list.
Anyway.
Remember, we're just gonna take
Live-
Liz out of the picture because she's not our friend anymore.
All
We
right,
don't
all right,
like
all
her.
right. Live life, have fun, enjoy,
Yes.
and just remember, life's a journey, and have fun.
Yes.
Cheers.
And
Cheers.
cheers.
Cheers. Yay.
Thank you.
Enjoy,
Bye.
everybody.